Hello, this is Lockdown Drama. I'm Barry, and if you haven't been here before, please see Lockdown Drama introduction before you carry on. If you have been here before, welcome. Today's session is called Word Tennis. That's Word Tennis. I nearly said the wrong one. Today you will need a partner. Well, I say today. Every day you need a partner. However, if you've got more than one person, it's going to work just as well. You will need to sit down with your partner. You don't need to be the same height. All you need to be doing is facing each other, and that's all you need. Just a partner and facing them. If you've got more than one person, sit in a triangle or a circle. So you're going to go around the circle. Decide who is number one and who is number two. Done that? Great. Okay, so what is word tennis? It's like tennis where you hit a ball backwards and forwards over a net and try and win points, except we're using words. I'm going to give you a category. So a category is a group or collection of things, and your job with your partner is to name as many different things in that category as you can. You take it in turns, and the winner is the person who doesn't repeat themselves or who can think of another one. So if you say something you've said before, either of you have said before, or you've run out of time and can't think of anything, you lose and your partner wins and gets a point. I'll give you an example. So let's say the category was colours. Mr. Frog's here. Hello. Hello. So we're going to take it in turns. I'll start. I'll be number one. Mr. Frog, you're number two. Okay. Here we go. So the theme, colours. I'll start. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, violet, white, black, red. Yeah, I can't have red. I've said red already. So, Mr. Frog, you win. He's so happy. That's it. That's how to play. Simple. Okay. Today you're going to be pausing me. Number ones are going to start. So number ones, you need to come here. I'm going to say the category, and then you're going to pause me, and then you're going to run back to your partner and start. As soon as you have a winner, that winner gets a point. You come back, unpause me, and we'll do the next category. Okay, ready. Your first category then is, in fact, colours. Pause me. You're back. Remember who won, they get a point. Okay, the next person starts. So if you started last time, the next person starts. Here we go. A new category this time. Okay, keep going until you have a winner. Remember, no repeats. And now you've had one go, you can't take longer than 3 seconds. Now, if you've got an older partner and they are, well, yes, if they're older than you, they're going to have more experience of life. That's just the way it is. So they will probably know more things. So if you're the older person, I'd like to come up with a fair rule. Maybe you've only got 2 seconds to speak. Or a rule here is that you've got to say something that both of you or everyone in the group has heard of. Okay, so there's no cheating, so it balances it out nicely. Okay, colours was quite straightforward because I'd already done some. We all know some colours. But remember the rules that I've just said. Older person has less time to speak and everyone's got to know of the answers. Okay, right, number twos. Here we go. Here's your category. Come close and then pause me afterwards. Your category is boys' names. Pause me. Welcome back. How'd you get on with boys' names? It could go on for a long time, that one. I bet it did. Good. Remember who won? Remember who won? We've had 2 rounds. Okay, round 3. Remember the rules that we've put in place. Here we go, round 3. Number 1, you're going to start. Come to me and then pause me afterwards. Here we go. Your category is fruits. Pause. Well done. Did you come up with some interesting fruits? Very good. I hope everyone knew each other's fruit. Remember, that's an important rule. Okay, next person. I'm going to lose track of who's 1 or 2, but you should know. I think we're on number 2 now. Here we go. Category, pause me. And your category is Things you'll find in a kitchen. That's things you'll find in a kitchen. Pause. Good job. Okay, here we go. You know what we're doing now, so let's switch around. Remember who's winning and come here. Get ready to pause. Your category is girls' names. Pause. Oh, how's it going? How's it going? It's exciting, isn't it? Do you feel the tension? Yeah, the tension increases. It gets quite tense, I know. Okay, next category. Swap over. You don't have to change places, of course. Come and get ready to pause me. Your category is vegetables. Pause. You're back. Good. Was there a discussion about tomatoes being vegetables or fruits? I'll let you decide what goes through. Okay, next category. Come here. Get ready to pause. Here we go. Your category is things you'll find in a garden. Pause. Well done. Okay. We're getting close to the end. I'm going to stop very soon. So, come here. Here we go. Your category is... Be careful, everyone's got to have heard of these, remember? Your category is cartoon characters. Pause. Welcome back. 2 more rounds. Yes, just 2. Right, here we go. Come here. Get ready to pause me. Types of birds. Pause. Wow. A lot of birds, right? I bet you thought you didn't know that many. Okay, this is the last round. After this round, if you want to play your own, you could write them down on a piece of paper, get someone else to tell you them, so you can carry on if you want to. But this is our last round together. And the final category is a bit of a tricky one. Be creative. You know, I say that quite often. Here we go. Category is things you can wear on your head. Pause. And we're back in the room. Things you can wear on your head. Did you come up with a lot? Just saying hat probably didn't get you very far. Woolly hat, bowler hat, top hat, hairband, funny ears, hair gel you could have had. There's quite a few out there, but it was a tough one to finish on. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, I said you could carry on if you want to. I'm going to leave you now. I hope you enjoyed word tennis. There are many more categories you could have done. Right. See you again. Bye.